And welcome back. We've got a product to review here today from Seesii. Now, Seesii is a company that is well known for their electric tools, and I've done a number of reviews for them, and they're very, very good tools. And what they have done is they have come out with a hand cart that is versatile. I don't know everything about it yet, so I'm going to kind of learn as I go on this. But the first thing, of course, we have to do is open the box, see what it looks like. So let's do that. Okay, here we go. This is what was in that box. It's completely empty now. We have a hardware bag, and I will open this. I'm just showing how it's packed. And you got your instructions, and then everything else is in this sealed bag. Enough of that. Let's get it all out of the bags. Okay, here we go. This is what everything really looks like. There is the big main unit. It's all folded up, of course. And then we've got a bungee. That is a really good idea there. And then we have these wheels, these caster wheels, and nuts, and a wrench. And I have taken a quick peek. I'm certain that these are the front wheels there, because when I tilted this up, I could see that the back wheels are already on there. See there? The big ones are, looks like they just flip down. And so you're going to have to attach the front wheels right here. When that folds up, then the wheels will be down. Okay, and so let's take a quick peek at the instructions, see the basics of what we need to do, and then get it assembled. Okay, this is pretty neat here, the way these wheels fold out like this. Now, you saw me on the last scene trying to figure out, well, okay, they say fold out, how'd they stay out? And I figured it out since, of course. So what happens is you've got this handle back here, and I'm just going to have to demonstrate that. Basically, you pull up that handle, and it makes the wheels come out and lock, and the opposite is true as well. So I'm going to have to film that with the other camera. Let's demonstrate that. Okay, and so to adjust this thing, this nose plate just folds up or down. Like if you're going to be using it as a cart, a four-wheeled cart like this, and you have something that is too big that want to hang off the end, you're going to fold that up. Or if it's smaller, keep it up as a kind of a wall to hold it in better. Now, if you're going to be using it as a hand cart, that nose plate to hook under something like a big appliance, you're also going to want the handle up here to fold down. And to do that, you've got these latches here. Just squeeze those, and then this folds and locks. And then you have it as a hand cart. And I will certainly demonstrate that. It says it will hold 330 pounds. I don't have anything at the moment that weighs that much, but we are going to put a washing machine on it. We'll do that. And so I also want to show that these are locking wheels here. See that I have them locked, and then to release the lock, you just press there, and then they'll roll again. But I had locked them so that this thing doesn't roll around, but it's certainly very easy to roll. You simply push these down and lock it, and then you're locked. And okay, and then of course you have the bungee here. This is to wrap around. If you have something on it anywhere. Basically, this is to wrap it around and hold it to the cart. And I'll demonstrate that in just a moment. So that's the basics of it. I think the first thing I'm going to do is show you a garbage can and the bungee, because that's something that happens with me all the time. Okay, so here's one of the primary things that I would use it for, is to be moving these garbage cans all around my driveway and way out onto the road. You can see the gate back there. I have a unique situation where I have to take these kind of long distance. And so if you're just rolling it around on the driveway, it's really no problem to have the cart set up like this. But if this is a very heavy can and you have to take it way out and around, you're going to want to set this up in the other mode where it is a dolly, this. And then you're going to want to put the can on there. I know the can is actually light today, but it is not usually, not at all. Now herein lies the problems. As you're driving around with it, it has a tendency to roll off, but Seesii is ready for that with the bungees. So let's do that. I'm a little surprised it's not keeping itself up. Oh, I've done something wrong. Oh, it doesn't. Does that lock? I guess it doesn't lock, so it doesn't hold itself up. Anyway, so here's where we put the bungee around it. After it hooks on itself, there we go. Around like this. And now, you can't lose your can. And now I can go take the garbage out. Okay, so here we go. We have a washing machine. Now, AI says that this GE washing machine weighs 147 pounds, and which is about half of what the Dolly says that it will hold, but I think that might be on the four-wheel mode. Anyway, it should really be able to easily do this, but we're going to find out. Let's do it. Alright, we got it. Yeah, it seems nice and stable. No problem at all. So there you go. It'll do a washing machine for sure. Which means, basically, it will do a water heater or something like that. Now, a refrigerator is more like 400 pounds, so, I mean, pace yourself. Okay, so the last thing I want to show is how it will fold up. Now I have, these wheels are still locked. There we go. Okay, so you just simply pull this closed, and then you release those and hold them up, and then pull that forward to get the bottom wheels to go, and then I guess you can use, now those lock in place, sort of. And then it's about 20 pounds. And so it's easy to manage, and you can just easily put it in your truck or your trunk or anything. I mean, this folds up nice and small. And so that does it. And so it is the Seesii hand cart, and I'll have the link to go pick it up in the description and top pin comment. And go check it out for yourself. I'm sure there's going to be some kind of code or something, and that'll do it. I appreciate y'all watching, and we'll see you in the next one.